In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic slider to your Wix website, a popular feature that can really help make your site more engaging and visually appealing. Slideshows or sliders are a great way to grab attention and convey key messages without overwhelming your visitors with too much information at once. So, let's dive into it and have some fun with this creative tool on Wix. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix editor or studio with Google Chrome. The reason I suggest using Chrome is that it often handles web applications more smoothly compared to other browsers, reducing the chances of any unexpected hiccups while you work. Now that you're in the editor, the next step is to add a slider component to your page. This is simpler than you might think. In the left-hand menu, there's an option to add elements. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of components you can add to your site. Look for the slider or slideshow option. Once you find it, click it, and the slider will appear on your page. You can drag it to your desired location and resize it as needed. With your slider in place, it's time to add your images or content slides. If it's images you're planning to showcase, click on the slider to open the settings. Here you'll find the option to upload images directly from your computer. Simply click Upload, select your images, and they'll be added to your slider. Don't forget that visuals should be high quality. They're representing you, and first impressions matter. Next up, let's make this slider a bit more lively by enabling autoplay in the slider settings. Again, you'll click on the slider, this time looking for the settings icon. Once there, you'll see a checkbox for autoplay. Turn this on. From there, you can adjust the timing between each slide. Depending on your content, you might want to experiment with different durations to find the best fit that allows your viewers enough time to absorb the information but keeps the flow brisk. Customizing navigation arrows and transition effects can add a unique touch